A very good morning class. I hope you all are doing good at your home. So I hope you all have gone through my previous videos, and today I'll share a very interesting topic of profit and loss with you. बहुत interesting topic. So if I talk about the extent of difficulty in this topic, it will vary from even very easy to moderate, but if I say that is a more complex topic, I will not say this thing. But if I want to solve it without formulas, is this possible or not? Again, my hand like this. Yes, this is possible to solve this topic without any formula. So what is that method? This is called your percentage to ratio. If you know to convert your percentage to ratio, so things will be very much easy for you to solve in this topic of profit and loss. Clear or not clear? Like, so before starting this topic, I just want to give you a brief introduction of bit percentage thing. If you know only one concept, entire thing will be in your head, right? So if I talk about suppose a student scores 600 marks out of 800 marks. अगर मैं बोलूँ किसी student ने 600 marks attain किए out of 800, what is the percentage of this? How you will solve this? What you will do? You will write here 600 by 800 into 100. और आप बोलोगे सर 75% marks the student has scored. Yes or no? So can I say from this that 600 is 75% of your 800? कह सकता हूँ ये बात कि नहीं कह सकता? Yes. So from this, can I conclude one more thing? The value in the numerator is your resultant value, and the value in the denominator is your original value. This is your resultant value. This is your original value, right? So if I even do simplify this thing, this will become 3 by 4. So from there, I can also conclude that 3 is 75% of 4. आप देख रहे हैं अगर मैंने वैल्यू भी चेंज की, परसेंटेज इज स्टिल सेम. Can I say one thing? 3 is 75% of 4. Yes, it means 3 is what your resultant value and 4 is what your original value. If you know only this thing if you know, I can complete your entire profit loss. That the value of the numerator is your resultant and the value of the denominator is your original value. Just one thing you know. Like, so I'll start the topic of profit and loss. I just want to let you know only one thing. So profit and loss के formulas हैं. CP, SP, profit is what? SP minus CP. अभी देखो, suppose this is a marker. If I purchase this marker for rupees 100, if I sell it for rupees 120, shall I get profit or loss? Obviously, I get profit. How much profit? That is 20. If I sell this marker for rupees 80, shall I get loss or profit? Obviously, loss. How much loss? 20. So, is there any need for me to write the formulas or any other student to write the formula that profit is equals to what your SP minus CP and your loss equal to what your CP minus SP? No, my dear students, there is no need to waste your time in such kind of formulas, right? I'll directly move to the problems. I'll share with you how to deal with the problem in this. That percentage ratio how works, right? Suppose question कि person है, he purchased some item and sold this item for 25% profit. उसको profit हो कितना? 25%. Now, if the selling price, यानी कि if we sold this article for rupees 1500, find the cost price of that article. Suppose this is the problem. कहते हैं इसका cost price निकालो. So 25% का fractional value कितना होगा? 25% leads what? 1 by 4. Yes, it means the value in the numerator is my resultant value, the value in the denominator is my original value. What does it mean? If the product cost me rupees 4, I am getting a profit of rupees 1. Yes or no? And 1 is 25% of 4. Starting में बात बोली थी. The value in the numerator is your resultant, the value in the denominator is your original. What does it mean? It means the product cost me rupees 4, I am getting a profit of rupees 1. अगर प्रोडक्ट 4 रुपए का है, तो प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट मी rupees 4, I am getting a profit of rupees 1. So obviously at what amount I will sell it? For rupees 5. Agree or not agree? It means the ratio of CP and SP is what? 4:5. Yes or no? So 5 parts value is what? 5 parts value is 1500. Is which number I multiply to make 5 as 1500? 300 say. If I multiply 4 into 300, what should be the CP here? 1200. That leads to my answer. Clear or not clear? Without any formula. अभी कुछ लोग बोलेंगे सर आप ऐसा भी तो कर सकते हैं कि अगर कोई वैल्यू अपने आप में 100% है तो 125% का वैल्यू कितना होगा मेरे पास? 1500. 100% का वैल्यू निकालना हो कितना हो जाएगा 1500 by 125 into 100। मैं नहीं बोलता भाई ये गलत है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दिस इज रॉन्ग, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली राइट, ये मेथड भी है हमारे पास। अब बोलोगे सर इसकी क्या जरूरत है, व्हाई शुड आई यूज परसेंटेज टू रेशियो अगर ये मेथड मेरे पास है। मैंने आपको बोला अगर पर्सन ने बोला मेरे को 8.33% का प्रॉफिट हुआ है तो आप क्या बोलोगे सर 108.33% की वैल्यू कुछ और है, 100% की निकालनी है। Will the calculation will be tough for you or not? Yes. So if you know only percentage to fraction conversion and try to solve by this ratio method, things will be very much easy for you to solve. I think I am getting clear on my grounds. I'll move with some more examples. Suppose ये आपको इसकी पावर बताते हैं रेशियो की, हाउ रेशियो वर्क्स। सपोज एक पर्सन ने बोला मेरे को 37.5% का प्रॉफिट हो गया, राइट, बाय सेलिंग एन आर्टिकल फॉर ₹2200। ऐसे कॉस्ट प्राइस निकाल के बताओ, राइट, कॉस्ट प्राइस निकाल के बताओ। सो 37.5% का फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू कितना है 3/8। अब याद लोगों को ये नहीं पता हुआ है जहां से यहां पे कैसे जा रहे हैं। I'll even upload one more video for percentage to fraction conversion, that how to convert your percentage to fraction। जैसे किया कुछ नहीं है, 375 divided by 1000, this will become 3/8, कुछ नहीं है, right? So what does it mean? The value in the numerator is my original value, the value in the denominator is my resultant value. What does it mean? If the product cost me ₹8, I'll get a profit of ₹3। It means 8 का प्रोडक्ट 3 का प्रॉफिट कितने पे जा रहा है 11 पे। So 11 parts value is what 2200। If you want to make 11 as 2200 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 200 से। If I multiply here by 200, what should be the answer here 1600। That leads to my cost price। Clear or not clear? This value was in percentage 37.5%। इसको अगर मैं उससे सॉल्व करूंगा 137.5%, 100% का वैल्यू निकालना है, things will be bit calculative for me। I think I am clearing on my grounds or not। I'll share one more example that how this thing helped me। देखो थोड़ा एग्जामिनर ने क्या किया, एग्जामिनर ने थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन को चेंज किया। व्हाट ही डिड, सी क्वेश्चन आया, ए शॉपकीपर सोल्ड हिज गुड्स एट 8:1/3% प्रॉफिट, 8:1/3% प्रॉफिट ऑन सेलिंग प्राइस। ये बात बड़ी अलग सी लिखी है, ऑन सेलिंग प्राइस, बिकॉज प्रॉफिट ऑलवेज अकर्स ऑन cost price। What does it mean? If I purchase this marker for ₹100, that leads to the cost price for me। If I am selling it for 120, I am getting a profit of ₹20 because मैंने ₹100 spend किए, तो प्रॉफिट कितने पे हो रहा है 100 के पीछे हो रहा है। But they are saying 8:1/3% profit on selling price and find his actual profit percent। बोलो सर इसका फॉर्मूला तो है नहीं, because we are habitual to learn the formulas। So 8:1/3% का फ्रैक्शन वैल्यू कितना होता है 1/12 होता है, राइट। अब कैसे आया, कुछ नहीं किया, 8 3 24 + 1 is 25। If you do 25/300, this will become 1/12। मेरे को याद है, अगर आपको नहीं याद है तो आप याद करो। तो I told you that the value in the numerator is your resultant value and the value in the denominator is your original value, right? अब प्रॉफिट किस पे हो रहा है सेलिंग प्राइस पे। व्हाट डज इट मीन, इफ आई सेल एन आर्टिकल फॉर ₹12, आई विल गेट ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ ₹1। अगर मैंने आर्टिकल को 12 रुपए में बेचा, देन आई विल गेट ए प्रॉफिट ऑफ ₹1। देन व्हाट शुड बी द कॉस्ट प्राइस हियर, दैट इज 11। एग्री और नॉट एग्री, एग्री और नॉट एग्री। सो इट मीन कॉस्ट प्राइस इज 11, सेलिंग प्राइस इज 12, प्रॉफिट इज 1। दे आर आस्किंग मी टू फाइंड द एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट परसेंट। एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट कितने का हो रहा है 1 का, कितने पे 11 पे, तो 100 पे कितना होगा, दैट इज 9.09% और 9:1/11%। तो देखा इस क्वेश्चन को विद द हेल्प ऑफ रेशियो आई मेड दिस थिंग वेरी मच इजी फॉर यू टू इवन सॉल्व विदाउट एनी फॉर्मूला। क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, क्लियर और नॉट क्लियर, राइट। आई विल शेयर सम मोर एग्जांपल्स। आई थिंक यू ऑल आर डन विद दिस, गोइंग टू रन दिस। सपोज क्वेश्चन है कि एक पर्सन को 10% का प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, पर्सन गेटिंग प्रॉफिट ऑफ 10% व्हेन ही सोल्ड एन आर्टिकल फॉर ₹10.8, राइट। what should be the selling price? What should be the selling price if he wants to earn a profit of 20%? अगर उसे 20% का profit earn करना है, right? दोबारा क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. If I'm selling an article for 10.8, if I'm selling an article for 10.8, sorry, there is a loss. There is a loss of 10%. There is a loss of 10%. At what amount should I sell to get a profit of 20%? Right? So 10% means what? 1 by 10. 10% का fraction value कितना होगा? 1 by 10. इसका मतलब क्या है? If I sell an article, the product cost me ₹10, I am getting a loss of ₹1. 10 का प्रोडक्ट है, 1 का लॉस पे जा रहा है. इसका मतलब 10:9 will be the ratio of CP ratio SP. Yes or no? So 9 parts value, यहाँ पे selling price 1 है. 9 parts value is what? 1.8. If I want to make 9 as 1.8 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 1.2 से. If I multiply here by 1.2, आंसर कितना आ रहा है? बस 12. CP कितना आ रहा है? 12. इसका मतलब प्रोडक्ट कॉस्ट में ₹12. Product cost me ₹12. Now I want to earn a profit of 20%. 20% का मतलब कितना? 1/5. इसका मतलब प्रोडक्ट 5 का आपको 1 का प्रॉफिट लेना है, तो 5 का प्रोडक्ट कितने में जाएगा? 6 पे. So this will be the ratio of your CP ratio SP. Yes or no? But 5 parts value is what? 12. If I want to make 5 as 12, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? Which number I need to multiply? 12 by 5. If I multiply here by 12 by 5, so this will become what? 72 by 5, यानी कि 14.40 will be your selling price too if you want to earn a profit of 20%. Clear or not clear? समझ पा रहे? Without any formula we are solving this problem. Question मैं दोबारा रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. कहते हैं कि if I sell an article for ₹10.8, I am getting a loss of 10%. Right? At what amount should I sell to get a profit of 20%? इसको अगर मैं 90% और 120 सॉल्व करूंगा, ऑब्वियस क्वेश्चन जल्दी सॉल्व हो जाएगा. बट रेशियो टू परसेंटेज कन्वर्जन आना बहुत ही जरूरी है. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम शेयरिंग दिस मेथड विद यू, राइट? और सब में आई थिंक यू ऑल आर डन विद दिस प्रॉब्लम. आई विल मूव फर्दर. क्वेश्चन आया, ए मैन फाइंड्स दैट CP of 2750 articles is equals to selling price of 2500 articles. Now we need to tell either he get a profit, how much percent profit he gets, either he, or if he gets a loss, how much loss he gets. It means we need to find the profit percent or loss percent, whatever things are there. So can I write CP of 2750 article is equals to what? Selling price of 2500 articles. So CP ratio SP will be what? 2500 by 2750. So this will become 50 by 55, meaning 10 ratio 11. It means the product cost me ₹10. I am selling it for ₹11. What is the profit I am getting? 1. 1 rupees profit on what value? 10. 100 पे कितना हो जाएगा? This will be what? 10%. That leads to my answer. Clear or not clear? Till अभी तक जितना भी I have shared the problems with you, I haven't used any formula. I'm just working on percentage and ratio. I hope you all are clearing with this. अब एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं. कुछ एप्लीकेशन पार्ट प्रॉफिट लॉस का. Like suppose क्वेश्चन ये शॉपकीपर है, sells an article at 9% loss. Right? I don't know the CP, I don't know the SP. They are saying the person is selling an article at 9% loss. Had he sold for ₹750 more, right? He would gain 7%. He would gain 7%. So find CP, cost plus निकालें. Again I repeat the question. I don't know the CP, I don't know the SP. They are saying there is a product, a person is selling it at 9% loss. If he sold this article for ₹750 more, जितने का पहले बेचा, if I sold it for ₹750 more, he'll get a 7% profit. Find the cost price. So I don't know the CP, take CP here, CP here. If he's selling it for 9% loss, obviously CP से कम पे बेचेगा, right है 9%. And if had he sold it for rupees 754, यानी जितने CP पे बेच रहे उस पे 750 पे बढ़ा के बेचेगा, right? See, if he sold it for 750 more, he'll get a profit of 7%. He'll get a profit of 7%. So the profit of 7% will start from your CP here. So this is 9, this is 7. कितना percent होगा? 16%. So 16% का value कितना हो गया? 750. Every value in itself is 100%. Cost price अपने आप में क्या होगा? 100%. So 100% का value will be what? This is 750 by 16 into 100. Agree or not agree? So this is 4 4 to 16. ये हमारा होगा 25. So this is 0. 25 5 is 125. 25 7 is 175 plus your 10. This is 187. 187 by 4. 4 4 is 16. 4 3 is 4 1 is sorry. कितना हो गया 23. 4 6 24 and 4 is 32 and this is 7.5. And answer के साथ आएगा 4 6 8 7.5. This is your cost price of the article. Clear or not clear? I think you all are clear with this. I'll share one more example with you. So यहाँ पे कोई formula लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is no need to create any equation. In a single line I can solve this question. One more problem I'm going to share with you. They are saying a man sells his goods at 10% profit. Again, I don't have the cost price. They are saying just a man sells his goods at 10% profit. Right? Had he purchased it for 20% loss, had he purchased it for 20% loss and sold it for rupees 20 more, he would gain 40%. Find the CP, find the cost price. So in this question what they are saying, a man sells his goods at 10% profit. I don't know the CP. They are saying a person sells his goods at 10% profit. जितने में पहले खरीदा, if he purchased it for 20% loss less and sold it for rupees 20 more, जितने में पहले बेच रहा था उसको 20 बढ़ा के बेचे, he will get 40% profit. Find the CP. So first thing comes in your mind that the CP be X, because 9-10 standard से एक चीज पढ़ते आ रहे हैं कि if you don't have the whatever value you want to find, take the value X. So if you are my students, first of all eliminate X from your life. There is no need to take X. Take any value which is convenient for you to calculate. Right now I don't have the CP. I take the CP as 100. मैंने मान लिया CP कितना है 100. If he sells his goods at 10% profit, 10% profit means at what value he will sell here? 110. Yes or no? Yes. Now they are saying if he purchase it for 20% loss, यानी कि अगर उसने 20% less cost पे उसको लिया हुआ है, कितने पे लेगा वो? 80 पे. And sell it for rupees 20 more. Whatever the value he is selling at, sell it for rupees 20 more. He will get a profit of 40%. 40% का कितना होगा? 32. That is 112. So it means, as per my assumed value, the person is selling it for rupees 2 more. But as per the question, the person is selling it for rupees 20 more. So if I want to make 2 by 20, किससे multiply करना पड़ेगा? 10 से. What does it mean? Whatever the value I have assumed, that value has to be multiplied by 10. If I multiply 100 by 10, so your actual CP is what? 1000, and that leads to your answer, and again without any formula. I hope you all are clear up to this. This is just introductory part of profit and loss. अब इसके बहुत सारी applications बन सकती हैं. Questions का level difficult भी हो सकता है. I'll share some more problems with you within the coming video lectures. First of all, go through them, try to analyze what I have shared with you, try to get the importance of percentage and ratio in your life. Thank you so much. All the best.